How to log in into GreytHR Employee Portal online account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to log in into GreytHR Employee online account. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch a web browser, then navigate to search bar at top of your screen. Type in www.greathr.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on official interface of GreytHR. Click on Login button at top right corner of your screen. You will land on Login page of GreytHR. Enter the official email or phone number and check mark I am not a robot box. Click on the search button and this will redirect you to your GreytHR account. And that's it. You will now logged into your GreytHR account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.